This is a beautiful piece of Americana, a 1970 short bed C-10. Underneath the hood, it's packing modern fuel-injected LS power. It's got a full custom interior. It is our 20th giveaway vehicle. We've made 19 people's dreams come true over the last 5 years. We want to put you in this driver's seat, put this truck in your driveway, and put 20 grand in your pocket. You got to claim those entries at RestoMods.com. You can be our 20th winner.
Here's what the green stuff looks like, fellas.